It's cross-examination. You don't like the defense attorney's question. Can you turn around and simply say, "I'm not answering your question"? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer most likely is no, you cannot turn around to the defense lawyer in the middle of your civil trial, whether it's an accident matter or a medical malpractice matter or even a wrongful death matter, and say, "I'm not answering your question." Now, there are two exceptions to that, and the two exceptions are, number one, if the attorney is asking you about a conversation that you had with your lawyer. In that instance, he's not permitted to do that, nor will the judge require you to answer that question. Those contacts, that information is privileged, which means it's confidential. The other issue is if the attorney asks a palpably improper question. If he turns around and says, "Mr. Jones, how many times do you beat your wife a night?" What? This is a medical malpractice trial where I believe the doctor did something wrong. You're asking me how many times a night I beat my wife? That's ridiculous. So now, where it's palpably improper, the judge is going to direct the attorney that that's an improper question, and you as the witness are not to answer the question. But aside from those two issues, if you don't like the question that's being asked, in all likelihood, the judge is going to turn to you and say that you have to answer the question. And what if you continue or persist on not answering the question? Well, there are a number of options the judge has. The judge can hold you in contempt of court. The judge can sanction you or fine you. Or, worst case scenario, the judge could go ahead and dismiss your case because you're now obstructing what the defense attorney is trying to do. So there are other options that the judge has, but the most extreme one is to dismiss your case because you're refusing to answer the defense lawyer's questions. Have I seen that in my career? No, in 27 years of practice, I've never seen that happen yet. And that's a good thing. But the real question is, do you have to answer the defense attorney's question? And the answer most likely is yes, you will, unless the judge tells you you don't have to answer the question. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an inside look about what happens in these civil trials here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you have not started a lawsuit yet because you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.